Hello and welcome back to Twisty Cuisine. Today we are sharing a chicken handi recipe which is very famous in Pakistan. Here we are trying to create the same taste as it is in the restaurants. We know that it has been a while since we've shared a video. Due to some personal reasons we couldn't share videos with you guys, but now we will be more consistent and share some tasty, yummy recipes with you. Thank you for staying with us. Let's get started. Take one middle-sized onion and finely chop it. Afterward, heat up 1/4 cup of cooking oil in a wok pan or a karhai. After the oil is heated, put the onions and fry them until they change the color and become soft. We don't want the onions to become brown. Now take 2 pounds of boneless chicken cut into medium pieces and add it to our wok pan. Keep stirring until the chicken becomes white. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and give it a good stir. Leave the chicken in medium flame. While the chicken leaves its water, we will make our cilantro and green chili mixture. Take 1 bunch of cilantro and roughly chop them. Take 3 to 4 green chili, depend on the spice level. Cut it into medium sized pieces. Add both of these in a blender and then add 4 tablespoons of plain yogurt. And blend it completely until there are no chunks left. Now add the blended mixture into the chicken. Now we will add the spices. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, and 1.5 teaspoon of salt, or add salt as per your taste. Give it a good mix and cover it until the water starts to dry. At this stage, when it looks like this, give it one final stir and now add half cup of heavy cream. Add 3 slices of cheese. American cheese is recommended. If you don't have that, you can take cheddar cheese. Mix it until the cheese melts completely. Now sprinkle some julienne cut ginger and cover it and leave it on medium to low flame for 5 minutes. Creamy, cheesy chicken handi is ready to be served. This is a delicious Pakistani restaurant style chicken handi recipe which is perfect with naan. Try this recipe, enjoy this recipe, let us know what you think about it, and if you have any other suggestions of our next video, do let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so and hit that bell icon so you can get notified of our next video as soon as we upload them. Thank you and goodbye.